Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I'm bringing you the Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Winning Family Dollar. Trying to see what I can get. Bring it to you all on the low or the low. And I wanted to try out that 2 off of 12 also on that beauty bag. I wanted to try that out and then to see if it worked with the 5 off of 25 and then also the 2 off of 8 and see if all that worked, all three together. And y'all, yes, it did. Okay, it did. So I'm gonna show y'all my receipt. But first, I'm gonna go over everything that I got. Then I'll show you on my receipt where there is 3 store discounts that applied to these items. Okay, so the first thing I got was the Scott tissue, the 6 count. Okay, there is they are $3. There is a $1 off digital coupon, and this is digital and paper coupons that I used. Okay, y'all, digital and paper. So they was, like I said, the Scott toilet paper is $3 and a $1 digital came off. I got these Gain. Now these Gain now is on a little glitch on the paper coupons. Okay, so I got the Gain 34 count. I got 2 of them. There is a paper coupon that if you go on coupontime.com, it will show you all where the Gain coupons are. And it's the one that is a $2 Gain coupon. Those was free because they are $2 each for the sheets. These Gain sheets right here, they are $2 each. And so these became out to be free. So I included these in my 5 off of 25. Okay. So, and then also I gave her the item, then told them to scan the coupon. And I gave her the item, scan the coupon for those 2 first to make sure that it was still doing that. Okay. So then the next thing I got was the Robitussin. This is $3.50. And there is a $2 off digital coupon that actually attaches to this. So I got this. The next thing, all right, so on the $2 off of 8 and then the $2 off of 12, okay, what I did was I purchased the Suave Milk and Honey. It attaches to that. This is a body wash. A Suave Cocoa Butter and Shea, which is the body wash. I got 2 cocoa butter and shays, okay? I got 2 of those. Then I got the Caress Shea and Butter soap and this Shea and Butter soap, okay? I had $1 off manufacturer coupons that attached to these, okay? I had 3 of them. Then I had a $1 off Caress. It says you can get it for either the soap or the body wash, but I'm believing it's the 6 count, but it did scan for these 3 counts. So I used those 2, and I didn't give her the product and scan the item. I just gave her those 2 last, and it actually scanned for both of them. And well, it took for both of them. So $1 off of both of these. These are $2.75 each. The body washes are $2 each. Okay. Then on top of that, let me move this over here. The Vaseline. The Vaseline, it only scanned for the $2 off of 12. Y'all, I'm in my car, so I'm sorry. It only scanned for this one, the purple one. So I got 2 of the purple ones. I used one $2 off manufacturer coupon, and then there was a $1 off digital coupon that was on my card. So all this add up to over $12. The $2 off of 8 came off, and then also the $2 off of 12 came off, okay? So I was so happy with that. So then the last thing I got was this Nivea. The Nivea is $4.15, And I had a $2 off manufacturer coupon that actually applied for this, and it came off. So y'all, after all my stuff got scanned and all my coupons scanned for all my items, I didn't have no beeps. My subtotal was $5.15. Yes, $5.15. So let me show you my receipt. There it is. It's my 2 gains that I did first. There is my Caress. You see the 3 store discounts. There was my 5 off of 25, my 2 off of 12, and my $2 off of 8. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all on here. There you go. Oh, sorry. There it is. That one. Then there's the Suave body wash, the Nivea, and then the Scott paper towel. I mean, toilet paper. I keep on saying paper towel. Toilet paper. My subtotal, look, $5.15. Yes, $5.15. You know, everybody's taxes is different. And look at the total savings, $28. Yes. And then I got another 5 off of 25 that's going to be for this week. All right, y'all. Also, y'all want to check y'all stores. They have brown dot and purple dot that is on sale. I did get some purple dot. They was the little storage boxes, but I forgot to put them in my front seat. I put them in my trunk. So I'll show y'all a picture of them, and I'll put it in the video. Of the picture of them when I get home. So there is, hopefully I can do that when I get home. Hopefully I ain't too late, but I'm gonna upload this video so y'all can see it. So right now, y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.